Hey y'all, let's just jump straight into this closet redo. Here we go.
Had another rough conversation with the voices in your head. They said that love has shut the door on you, and you'd be better off instead. Girl, don't you listen? Your time is gonna come. You talk about lonely. You talk about scared. I think you're thinking that nobody cares. Well, you know it ain't over, but where to begin? You gotta play if you wanna win. Yeah. So when you gonna let somebody in? It's a classic situation where you don't know how to feel. So you go it alone. You turn off the phone when the struggle gets too real. Yeah. Girl, you better listen. It's time to make a change. You talk about another rough conversation with the voices in your head. They said that love has shut the door on you, and you'd be better off instead. Girl, don't you listen? Your time is gonna come. You talk about lonely. You talk about scared. I think you're thinking that nobody cares. Well, you know it ain't over, but where to begin? You gotta play if you wanna win. Yeah. So when you gonna let somebody in? It's a classic situation where you don't know how to feel. So you go it alone. You turn off the phone when the struggle gets too real. Yeah. Girl, you better listen. It's time to make a change. You talk about lonely. You talk about scared. I think you're thinking that nobody cares. Well, you know it ain't over, but where to begin? You gotta play if you wanna win. So when you gonna let somebody in? Yeah. Let 'em in. You talk about lonely. You talk about scared. I think you're thinking that nobody cares. Well, you know it ain't over, but where to begin? You gotta play if you wanna win.
Okay, let me show you all. Okay, you see that this is all the things that I took out. So this is the side that let me step back. These are the shelves that I'll be removing. And I'll put the Billy bookcase and the extension on this wall right here. So, and then I got it to where it'll go all the way up the wall. So I have more storage that way. So that's where I'm at right now. I know y'all wondering why am I in these clothes during doing this, but I have somewhere to go in a few. And I said, well, while I am doing this, I could be, while I'm waiting to get ready to go, I could be doing that, at least clear it out. And so, yeah. So I'll start tomorrow taking those shelves down and filling the holes in. I'm not going to paint their area. I might not even fill the holes in, when I come to think about it, because it's going to be covered. I'm not going to repaint that room. So yeah, I might not even refill the holes. Sorry for those who may be cringing by that right now. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna take those down, put the bookcase together, and then start organizing. But that will be a task for tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for going through this journey with me. And I will see you all later. Please like, share, and subscribe.